Imagine designing a new online course. You collect content and prepare slides, but soon you're caught in a whirlwind of materials without a clear objective. Eventually, the lack of structure catches up. You have to ask, what exactly should students achieve, and how will you know they actually learned it? The ADDIE model provides the answer. It's a step-by-step way to design courses that are built on a logic-driven path rather than guesswork. Moving from a guessing game to this formal framework prevents the mid-course confusion that occurs when a project lacks a defined starting point. The model is broken down into 5 clear steps: analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. It functions like a roadmap. Instead of searching for the next step, you follow a structured path that leads from your initial idea to a finished course. By sticking to this sequential path, you eliminate the need to guess what comes next, providing the project with continuous direction. Everything begins with one question: who are your learners? In the analyze phase, you identify their current knowledge and the specific challenges they might face. Teaching a beginner requires a different curriculum than teaching an experienced professional. Next is the design phase. Here, you map out what students will do and how lessons are structured. You also decide how learning is measured, ensuring the course stays focused on specific outcomes. Establishing this learning plan early directs every choice you make later, ensuring that no effort is wasted on irrelevant materials. In the develop phase, you begin creating the actual materials, such as the video lessons, the interactive student activities, and the final assessment quizzes. Because the blueprint is already finished, you can focus entirely on the quality of the assets. Every video and quiz you build now serves a distinct, pre-planned purpose. Once the materials are ready, you move to implementation. The course goes live, and students begin interacting with the lessons for the first time. As they progress, you gather real-world feedback. Seeing how students use the materials allows you to make the small, necessary adjustments that arise in any live environment. Testing the design in a live situation is the only way to validate that the theoretical plan you created actually works for the learners. Finally, you reach the evaluate phase. This is where you look at the results and ask if the students successfully achieved the learning goals you set at the start. You assess the individual components, identifying which activities were the most helpful, and noting any areas where students felt confused. This creates a feedback loop. These evaluation metrics are sent back to the start of the process, providing the data needed to improve the course for the next group of learners. The ADDIE model isn't about making design more complicated. It's a tool used to bring clarity to the process. By analyzing the learners, designing the plan, developing the content, implementing the course, and evaluating the results, you cover every base. Following this sequence transforms course design into an organized and effective process that creates a more meaningful experience for your learners.